Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about deleting or uninstalling apps on your Android smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just slide up on your home screen, and then you see your apps listed here. Select the app you want to uninstall, and you would select the uninstall option. Please keep in mind if there's no option here, it means you cannot uninstall the app. Not all apps can be uninstalled. There are more complex ways of doing that sort of action, but that's beyond the scope of this video. This is more so if you have third-party apps you've installed on your own and you just would like to remove them. This is a pretty easy way of how to do it. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.